If you've noticed CachyOS suddenly jumping to the top of DistroWatch and wondered if it's finally the better Manjaro, you're definitely not alone. Because thousands of Linux users are asking the same thing right now. But the reality is a lot more complicated than the hype suggests. CachyOS advertises performance optimizations, custom kernels, and better package handling, while Manjaro keeps pushing the idea that it's the friendly, safer gateway into the Arch ecosystem. But when you look closely at real-world usage, both distros come with issues that beginners simply aren't prepared to deal with. Manjaro's 2-week package delay sounds like stability protection, but it often leaves users stuck with outdated software and dependency mismatches. And it doesn't prevent breakages. We've seen multiple cases where the delay actually created new conflicts. Add in the fact that Manjaro has had 3 separate SSL certificate expiration incidents, temporarily blocking updates and exposing concerning maintenance oversight. And it's clear the Safe for Beginners label is not fully earned. On the other side, CachyOS looks fresh, fast, and community-driven, but installation problems, inconsistent bootloader behavior, and reports of systems failing to start after major updates show that performance tweaks don't mean reliability. And while both systems rely heavily on the AUR for software availability, we've seen how AUR flooding and packaging mistakes can crash mirrors and repositories across the wider Arch ecosystem, something a new user won't know how to troubleshoot. The truth is, performance gains don't matter for most users compared to stability and predictability, and right now, neither CachyOS nor Manjaro consistently provides that out of the box. If you're truly new to Linux, there are safer, calmer distros that won't leave you repairing your system at 2 a.m. Have you tried either of these? Comment your experience. I want to hear how they worked for you.